Dear students, in exercise 1.6 we have first question. If x and y are two sets such that number of elements in x are 17, number of elements in y are 23 and number of elements in x union y are 38, find number of elements common to both. So let us understand this is the set x, another set is y, and these are the sets or elements which are common to both the sets. So we are given number of element in x, total circles is given 17. Then total circle of y set is given to us as 23 and common to both are, sorry, A union B means total is given to us 38 and we asked how many are common to it. Now let us see what is given to us. If x and y are two sets, we are given number of elements in x as equal to 70, number of elements in y is equal to 23, number of elements in x union y is given to us as 38. Now we have the identity. We are asked to find the number of elements in x intersection y. This is asked. We have the identity. Number of elements in x union y is equal to number of elements in x plus number of elements in y minus number of elements in x intersection y. It means 38 is equal to 17 plus 23 minus number of elements in x intersection y. This is not given to us. So let us transpose this to this side. You will get 23 plus 17 is 40. If you transpose this side, you will get number of elements in x intersection y. 38 if you transpose to the other side, it will become negative. Please understand, that is equal to 2. It means 2 elements are in number of elements in x intersection y. So number of elements in x intersection y is equal to 2 itself is the answer. Now see, if x and y are two sets, so x and y are two sets, these are two sets, x and y are two sets, this is x set, this is y set. We are representing x and y in Venn diagram. Has such that x union y has 18 elements, means total elements in this figure are 18, then x has 8 elements. So in this circle, in first circle there are 8 elements. In second circle, y has 15 elements. Y means second circle. Second circle is having 15 elements, and how many elements does x intersection y have? So we are asked how many elements are common to both the sets. This is what is the question asked. Number of elements in x intersection y is asked to us. Now this is given to us number of elements in x, this is given to us as number of elements in y, and total are given number of elements x union y is equal to 18. This is given to us. So we have the identity. Number of elements in x is equal to number of element in x union y is equal to 18 given. Then number of elements in x is given to us as 8. Number of elements in y is given to us as 15, and number of elements in x intersection y is asked. So we have the identity. Number of elements in x union y is equal to number of elements in x plus number of elements in y minus number of elements in x intersection y. It means we are given that. So substituting the values, you will get 18 is equal to 8 plus 15 minus number of elements in x intersection y. If you transpose this to this side, you will get number of elements in x intersection y. Now 88 plus 15 is 23, and transpose 18 to the other side, it will become negative. So this is equal to 5. So thus number of elements in x intersection y is equal to 5. In a group of 400 people, so total there are 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi. So let H be the set of the people speaking Hindi. It means number of elements in H set are 250. And 200 people can speak English. So let E be the set of the people speaking English. Number of elements in E is equal to 200. Now next is how many people can speak both Hindi and English. So we are asked to find how many elements are common to both the sets. So let H be the set of people speaking Hindi. People speaking in Hindi. Now this is given to us. Number of elements in H set are 250, and E be the set of people set of people that can speak in English. It means number of elements in each set are given to us as 200. Now we are given in a group of 400 people. So total people are 400. It means number of elements in H union E. Total number of people are 400. Now we have the identity. Number of element in H union E is equal to number of element in H plus number of element in E minus number of elements in H intersection E. How many people can speak both? So we are asked to find how many people speak both. That is, this many people H set speak 200. Hindi speaking people are 250 and English speaking people are 200, and total people are given to us as 400. So just put the values, you will get 400 is equal to 250 plus 200 minus number of elements in H intersection E. So if you transpose this to this side, you will get number of elements H intersection E is equal to, this is 450 minus 400, that is equal to 50. It means 50 people can speak both Hindi and in Hindi and English. Thus 50 people can speak in Hindi and English. Hindi and English both. Languages. Both languages. Now see fourth question. If S and T are two sets. So understand this. These are two sets. One is S, other is T. So this is S set, this is T set. S has 21 elements. So total element in the circle N of S is equal to 21. Then T has 32 elements. Number of elements in the second circle are 32. Now we are given S intersection T. So number of elements common to both are number of elements in S intersection T, that is equal to 11. This is given to us. How many elements does total S union T have? So let us write what is given to us. Number of elements in S is 21. Number of elements in T are 32. Number of elements in S intersection T is equal to 11. We are asked to find number of elements in S union T. We have the identity. Number of elements in S union T is equal to number of elements in S plus number of elements in T minus number of elements in S intersection T. So this becomes number of elements in S union T is equal to 21 plus 32 minus 11. It means this becomes 21 minus 11 is 10, 10 plus 32 is 42. So number of elements in S union T is 42. Thus total elements, you can write the answering notes. Total elements in S union T are 42. Let us solve the fifth question. If X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements. So X, we are given X and Y are two sets. This is X set and this is Y set. X has 40 elements, means number of elements in first circle are 40. Then X union Y has 60 elements. Please note, total is given to us. Total is number of elements in X union Y is equal to 60. And X intersection Y, this shaded part common to both, is having 10 elements. So this is number of elements in X intersection Y is equal to 10 elements. How many elements does Y have? So we are asked this unshaded, or you can say this part. How many elements does this part is having? Let us solve. So we are given number of elements in X solution. Number of elements in X is equal to 40. Number of elements in X union Y is equal to 60. Number of elements in X intersection Y is equal to 10. And we are asked number of elements in Y is equal to how much. So we have the identity. Number of elements in X union Y is equal to number of elements in X plus number of elements in Y minus number of elements in X intersection Y. So this is equal to, put the values. So 40 minus 10 is 30. If you transpose 30 to the other side, it will be 60 minus 30. Please understand, is equal to number of elements in Y. It means number of elements in Y are 30. Thus, elements in Y are, elements in set Y are 30.